Start the full panels at the valley, making sure to keep laps away from the main line of sight. Measure the top and bottom for each valley cut panel and record the measurements for making and cutting on the ground. Apply the measurements to full panels, marking the cut line for each valley section. Cut a dog ear at the top corner of the valley metals to prevent water running across the roof. Keep them in the same order as measured and insert into the valley. Always position the first panel at the eave half an inch past the gutter riser as shown. Fasten the bottom row vertically down through the panel at the high-ribbed sections as shown. Fasten in the same manner as regular panels, keeping all panel fasteners out of the no fastening zone. Align the next panel on the same course with the 2-inch side lap. To avoid penetrating the valley pan, use 1-inch trim screws to stitch the valley cut sections together over the valley metal. Measure the rake sections to fit into the rake channel, making sure they are aligned with the 2-inch side lap of each full panel. After measuring the rake cut sections, apply the measurements to panels on the ground. This process is repeated for all cut sections on the roof. Install the rake cut pieces and fasten in the same manner as regular panels. Measure each hip panel section to the hip center line, making sure to align panels to the interlock point. Apply the measurements to full panels, marking the cut line for each hip section. Cut the hip panels as shown, keeping them in the same order as measured. Install panels up the hip, aligning them correctly with the full panels along the 2-inch side lap.